Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Best life insurance companies. Prudential is our best overall life insurance companies by Holly Johnson's updated December 21, 2021. Okay, life insurance is a great way to protect your family financial in the event of your death. The best life insurance companies can help you secure enough coverage to replace your income settle debits or cover expenses your family will face like paying for your children educations or caring for aging parent. Best life insurance companies of 2021. Best overall Prudential. Best instant issues State Farm. Best value Transamerica. Best whole life Northwestern Mutual. Best term policies New York Life. Best for no medical exam. Best for no medical exam Mutual of Omaha. Best of military USA. Important. Most insurance companies require new applicants to choose either male or female when applying for insurance, and they don't always offer option for those who identify and non-binary or transgender. Will being non-binary does not disqualify you from getting insurance. You should be aware that most insurance companies have not updated their underwriting process to reflect an awareness of gender issues. Okay. Best overall Prudential. Prudential. Pros. Get an instant quotes for term life insurance online. Excellent rating for financial strength. Multiply riders can be added to your policy. Cons. No online quotes to permanent life insurance coverage. Prudential Financial dates back to 18073, which bodes well for its reliability. The Prudential Insurance Company of America also boasts an A plus rating with AM Best, as well an A plus rating with AM Best, as well and A minus rating with standard as poor in terms of financial strength. Okay. State Farm AM Best rating A double plus. Types of insurance 3 issues age 18 to 75. Why we choose it? Why we choose it? We choose State Farm as the best company for instant issue policies based on the fact can you apply online and get term life coverage without a medical exam or any hopes to jump through State Farm excellent rating and long history also helped it gain spot in ranking. Okay. दोस्तों ये लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस आपने किस तरह करवानी है ठीक है वहाँ पे आपने जाना है लाइफ इंश्योरेंस करवा के तो घर रह जाना है Northwestern Mutual has been business since once 1857 and is solid rating that show its commitment of offering quality product and service. Not only does Northwestern Mutual boast A double plus rating and M Best and A double A plus rating from SP Global and earn a high mark for customer satisfaction. In the JD Power 2020 US Life Insurance Study, आगे जी आगे, बेस्ट टर्म पॉलिसीज न्यूयॉर्क लाइफ। ओके, न्यूयॉर्क लाइफ boasts excellent rating for financial strength as well as flexible term life insurance policies that you can convert to permanent insurance in the future, and the company make it easy to tailor your term life coverage for your own specific need. New York Life has in business since 1845, which is testament to its reliability in the market. The company also reports very solid rating for financial strength, including an A++ rating from and best of the A++ rating from Standard Poor's. New York Life sits in sixth spot in the JD Power 2020 US Life Insurance Study, which compared 23 companies based on customer service satisfaction and other factors. Please like my video and share my video. Okay, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें। ओके।